Excellency President Macky Sall, Chairperson of the African Union, Excellency President Cyril Ramaphosa, African Union Chairperson for COVID Response Champion, Excellencies, Heads of State, Heads of Members of the Bureau of the Assembly, I thank our Chair, President Macky Sall, for the invitation to participate in this important conversation on vaccine manufacturing and join President Ramaphosa in his statement and urging for resolution of this complex problem. Less than 1% of vaccines administered in Africa are manufactured locally. Our goal is to manufacture 60% of Africa's vaccines on our continent by 2040. Setting up the manufacturing of the needed and quality vaccines in Africa is already quite a demanding process. Ensuring that these vaccines are actually purchased, distributed, and utilized in our countries is another layer of complexity that needs to be well thought out through proper coordination mechanisms. We look to the advice of the Partnership for Africa Vaccine Manufacturing on creating realistic demand and securing markets. It is also important that vaccine procurement platforms like COVAX, Gavi, among others, take into consideration African manufacturing resilience in their policy. For example, we can work to establish a reasonable formula that provides some guarantee that vaccines produced in Africa will have a market. This will be possible to achieve if African manufacturers can work together and also compete with other regions, both on cost and quality. Strong regulation is critical, which is why we need to collaborate on ensuring that the African Medicines Agency is fully operational. I suggest we work together on engaging key partners without delay to find a viable way forward that will stimulate further investment in African vaccine manufacturing capacity. Mr. President, Chairperson of the African Union, I thank you for your invitation and kind attention.